Good citizen, sir?
I don't answer questions.
You actually do have to answer if you're...
I actually don't have to answer any goddamn questions because I have a Fifth Amendment right not to answer any questions. I am within the United States. I have a Fifth Amendment right not to answer any questions without a lawyer present. I'm invoking my Sixth Amendment right. Do whatever the you gotta do. Don't put your hands on him, you pieces of shit. Why are you pointing a taser at me? Do I appear to be armed?
Okay, we're going to go over this viral video. This thing has 4.6 million views in just a couple days. And the guy that you'll see in this video is getting berated, summarily berated by a whole bunch of people on the internet. I mean, most people are against this guy for absolutely going off on these Texas Border Patrol agents, but I'm gonna look at it from a different perspective, not the perspective of, hey, let's dog this guy right here because he's being extremely rude to these calm and professional Border Patrol agents. I want to come at it from another angle, not necessarily being on this guy's side, not being on the side of the Border Patrol agents, but trying to take it straight down the line so that we can assess what's really going on here so that we don't get caught up with the hype. But this says passenger seat wannabe lawyer freaks out at Texas Border Patrol checkpoint and gets them both arrested. Apparently, both of these guys are brothers. Let's take a look at this.
Hello, how are you guys?
Doing well.
Mind just running on the back window?
I do mind.
Okay. You working down here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Done for work for the day? Alrighty, both you citizens?
Yes.
You're a citizen, sir?
I don't answer questions.
You actually do have to answer if you're...
I actually don't have to answer any goddamn questions because I have a Fifth Amendment right not to answer any
This
questions.
is a federal immigration checkpoint. Yes, you do have to answer
Right.
if you're a U.S. citizen.
And we're 100 miles away from the border.
No, you're not.
I have not.
You're not. You're within...
Well, I am within the United States. I have a Fifth Amendment right not to answer any questions
well, this is a
without
federal...
a lawyer present. I'm invoking my Sixth Amendment right. Do whatever the...
Real quick note of importance. This isn't a Border Patrol checkpoint on the Mexico-United States border. This is a Border Patrol checkpoint inside the United States. And I'm going to show you a link to an article where the Supreme Court has said that it's okay to have these inside the country Border Patrol checkpoints, even as far as 100 miles from the border. It's absolutely constitutional for these Border Patrol agents to be stopping you, detaining you, questioning you, harassing you, investigating you. It's okay for them to do that. What a lot of people seem to miss as they find it distasteful that this guy is just going off on this calm Border Patrol agent is that, hey, we still do have American rights, right? This is American soil. We can stand for and exercise our rights, can't we? Do Border Patrol checkpoints and Border Patrol agents wipe away our unalienable rights?
Fuck you gotta do.
This is a federal...
I have no statements to make and I'm not answering any questions.
You do have to answer if you're...
I don't have to answer a goddamn thing. Fifth Amendment.
Yes, you do, actually.
I don't have to answer any thing.
Right there. You do have to answer if you're a U.S. citizen.
I don't have to answer a goddamn thing.
All right, then you can park right up there.
We don't have to park right up there. We'd like to be free to go on about our way.
Federal immigration inspection.
I understand that. And I have a federal Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, bitch. I don't answer questions. Leave me the alone. What the do you want?
You're a citizen, yes or no?
I don't answer questions. Kick rocks. Get a warrant. This is being videoed.
That's fine. You can read the sign right there.
I don't need to read the sign. I've read the law.
Well,
I've read the Constitution.
Yes.
We're also in Texas. We're also in Texas. And I don't have to ID unless I'm under arrest. So kick rocks, bitch.
You're within 100 miles.
I love how calm this guy's brother is being. He's just sitting in there in the passenger seat, looking at the Border Patrol agent, looking over at his brother going, man, I sure wish I was home watching the game with a beer. This guy has the right to remain silent, but it doesn't appear that he has the ability to remain silent. If you invoke your Fifth Amendment right to be silent, then guess what you should do? Just shut the front door. And he doesn't seem to be able to do that.
You.
All right, then park right up there.
Not going to park up there.
Then we can call the...
Call whoever the you want?
You're impeding traffic right now.
No, you're impeding traffic. We'd like to be free about it to go on our way.
I'm not.
You're the one who is stopping us here. You're stopping us here.
Disrespect us. This is a U.S. border.
You don't need to disrespect me.
And I am attempting to conduct an immigration inspection under Section 287A3 of the Immigration Nationality Act.
And I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Off.
In the United States versus Martinez Fuerte, 1976, that the U.S. Border Patrol has the authority to set up permanent or fixed checkpoints.
Yes.
On public highways.
Yes. You are allowed to set up your checkpoints. I am not required.
And that these checkpoints are not a violation of the Fourth Amendment. Do you understand that?
So now we have an agent out there who's citing court cases, and because the Supreme Court isn't on our side and doesn't secure and defend unalienable rights, we have Terry v. Ohio, we have Pennsylvania versus Mims, we have the court case that she's citing right here. Basically, the Supreme Court is giving the green light to agents to violate individual rights, saying that that violation of individual rights isn't a violation of individual rights. That's what we got going on here.
I didn't say it was a violation of the Fourth Amendment. I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right.
Inspection to allow us to complete the immigration inspection.
Complete your inspection.
If you do not move your vehicle, you can be arrested under Title 18.
Does that mean we're free to go? Does that mean we're free to go?
For this federal crime can be up to 1 year.
I need the names. I need the names and badge numbers of every agent present right here, right now. And I'll be FOIAing that camera's footage.
So you're not willing to move?
Oh, we're absolutely willing to move. Are you going to let us be free to go about our way?
No, not yet.
Okay, then we're going to sit here. Fifth Amendment.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Fifth Amendment.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Who are you asking? Me or
both of y'all.
I am, yes.
You're a U.S. citizen. Are you a U.S. citizen?
I don't answer questions.
Take note of that. This guy's brother in the driver's seat is complying with the commands and questions of the Border Patrol agents. Are you a U.S. citizen? Yes, I am a U.S. citizen. So he's cooperating and answering the questions, but they both end up getting arrested.
Anybody else in the back?
No.
No.
As a driver, are you willing to move your vehicle?
As long as I'm free to continue on my travel.
You're not free to go until he answers the question, the immigration question.
Fifth Amendment.
Okay, so neither one.
I have not.
So did you get that from the Border Patrol agent? You, driver, are not free to go until your passenger answers our question. In other words, you will be free to go if your passenger answers the question. So this guy in the driver's seat is doing, according to the Border Patrol agents, is doing what the agents want. The only reason they're sitting there is because the brother in the passenger side.
Across the U.S. border. I don't have to answer that question. I have a Fifth Amendment right, and I'm specifically invoking my Sixth Amendment right to be free from questioning without a lawyer. Sixth Amendment has been invoked. Do not ask any more questions. Sixth Amendment.
Am I showing the vehicle, officer?
You don't have to.
Okay, we're going to have to take them out. Then we're going to have to take y'all out. If you're not willing to move your
It's
vehicle.
company vehicle traffic. I got it.
We have to do the immigration inspection.
We have to do it.
You're welcome to inspect.
And then
Are
part of
you
the
a United States
inspection
citizen?
is the immigration aspect.
Sixth Amendment.
We just need to know if you're a United States citizen. That's all we need to know.
Sixth Amendment. Do you have reason to believe that I am not a United States citizen?
The question, sir, if you're a United States citizen, you're free to go.
Do you have reason to believe that I am not a United States citizen?
Sure you mind stepping out?
Do what you gotta do. I don't care.
It's a company vehicle.
I know.
have to.
Do whatever you gotta do.
Don't.
Reach in the vehicle. That's a Fourth Amendment violation.
Can you shut the vehicle off, sir?
Don't f***ing put your hands on him. Don't f***ing put your hands on him. You f***ing pieces of shit.
Chance to do it.
Don't f***ing put your hands on him. need guns drawn? You f***ing pieces of shit.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. U.S. Border Patrol. Would you please move yourself in the vehicle, sir?
In my opinion, this guy needs to learn how to step on these Border Patrol agents or any law enforcement agent's shoes without messing up the shine. He needs to learn how to be diplomatic. He needs to learn how to assert his rights without his temper getting the better of him.
Otherwise, you will be forcibly removed. Thank you, sir.
Don't touch me.
Please do me a favor.
I do not consent to any searches or seizures.
Stand for it, sir. Put your hands in the vehicle for
I will not.
Okay, sir. You need you to comply at this moment, otherwise you'll be forced to comply.
What crime am I being detained for?
Martinez Fuerte, case law 2428, sir, states that any vehicle at 100 nautical miles will be inspected for...
Keep your goddamn hands off of my brother. What the is wrong with you? I do not need to keep my...
Any vehicle at 100 nautical miles will be inspected by federal Border Patrol agents. Is that the land of the free, home of the brave? Is this how we retain our unalienable rights? Is this really the world that we want to live in, this dystopian age? No wonder the guy, I don't blame the guy for being angry. He needs to corral and control his anger, but I don't blame him for being angry. What crime, all you people, all you detractors, everybody who's saying bad things about this guy, what crime did he commit? How can society be made safer by arresting this guy and putting him in a cage when he didn't harm anybody, threaten to harm anybody, or steal or damage property? And how are you going to convince a Border Patrol agent that you're actually a U.S. citizen by telling a Border Patrol agent you're a U.S. citizen? How is that keeping us safe? They just want you to comply. They want you to submit. They want you to give up your rights. And everybody applauds it because they're so angry at this guy because of the way he treated these calm, professional Border Patrol agents. But they're calm, professional highwaymen. They're calm, professional extortionists, uniformed badge extortionists for the Fed.
Hands out of my pockets. There is no law that says that I am required to keep my hands out of my pockets.
Let's calm down, all right? We don't want any problems.
I don't want any problems. Keep your goddamn hands off me. Don't touch me.
Hey,
don't touch me. That's assault.
It's not assault.
It is assault.
We don't want any problems, says the guy whose group of thugs just arrested this guy's brother and investigated them and searched their vehicles and berated them with questions and was harassing and detaining them.
Any unwanted touching is assault. I do not want to be touched by you or any of your officers. Why are you pointing a taser at me? Do I appear to be armed?
You're acting aggressive.
My hands in my pockets so that I'm not a threat.
Please take your hand out. I don't know what's in your pocket. That's what the problem is.
Keep your hands off me. Why are you touching me? Why the are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Let me show you this court case real quick. According to the Supreme Court of the United States, border agents can make warrantless arrests at homes under 100 miles from the border. So not only can you be detained and harassed and inspected at a Border Patrol checkpoint, but they can make warrantless arrests at homes within 100 miles of the United States border. Is this land of the free, home of the brave, or land of the fee, home of the slave? Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comment section below. I'm just completely disgusted at this. This is astonishing to me that anybody would applaud this dystopian age that we live in, where federal agents can control, they can valve on or valve off your rights at will. And that to me is not unalienable. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member, subscribe, like, share this video. Share this video. Most Americans don't know that this is what's going on in America. And I feel like if they did, maybe we could wake them up. I will see you guys in the next video.